Welcome my friends in my online classes. Today I will be taking some of the questions which I have taken from ninth standard of CBSE. That is on the chapter from exponents of real numbers. So these questions belong to exponents of real numbers. Let us solve this particular question, and anybody is interested to join my classes, they can very well contact me in the given contact numbers and email ID. So as we have said earlier also, we have said that we need to have good practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Yes, of course, it is correct. So that particular practice is very, very important. In my last video, I went for discussing some of the questions related to ratio and proportion. That was quantitative aptitude. Of course, it is required even in academics also, 9th, 10th standard. So that is required. Let us solve some of the question. So the very first question is given as x to the power minus 1, y to the power square divided by x to the power 3 cube, x to the power cube. Let me write it properly. X to the power cube and y to the power minus 2 in bracket, it will be 1 by 3 divided by x to the power 6, y to the power minus 3 divided by x to the power minus 2, y to the power 3 in bracket 1 by 2 is equal to x to the power a, y to the power b. We need to prove that a plus b is equal to minus 1, where x and y are different positive primes. So let us solve step by step. We need to bring this left hand side also as it is given in right hand side, xy form. X will be having some exponent, y also will be having some exponent, so that we need to bring it here. So we need to solve and we need to bring. So we can say first internally we will be solving left hand side this particular part. So x to the power minus 1 and then x to the power 3 is there. So it will be making as, it will go at the top, so it will become minus 3. And then y to the power 2, and this y, it will take its square and it will become as plus 2. So I hope that you all are aware that when we are going for division, okay, when we are going for division, x to the power a by x to the power b, so it will be x to the power a minus b. So these are the formulas we are utilizing, x to the power a into x to the power b. Okay, so this will be equal to x to the power, not at the top, x to the power a plus b. Okay, so these are the formulas we are utilizing. So I hope that the students are well aware. Then also I have described here. So these formulas we have to utilize. Okay, and over the bracket this is 1 by 3, sorry, not 1 by 2, it is 1 by 3 divided by again x to the power 6, and from the bottom it will go and it will become plus 2. Similarly y to the power minus 3, and again it will be going at the top, it will become minus 3 and 1 by 2. So is equal to x to the power a and y to the power b, it is given. Right. Now it has become x to the power minus 4, y to the power 4, 1 by 3 divided by x to the power 8 and y to the power minus 6 to the power 1 by 2 is equal to x to the power a, y to the power b. Further, so this will be again like this. So let this 1 by 3 and one more formula let me write. So x to the power a, and in bracket if b is there, so it will become x to the power a into b. This also we need to include. So that's why, because it will become minus 4 by 3 and y 4 by 3 divided by x to the power 8 by 2 and y minus 6 by 2, fine, is equal to x to the power a and y to the power b. Now further we need to solve it. So like this it will be there. If we are cancelling it, so this will be cancelling it with 4. We are cancelling it, this will be cancelling with 3. Okay. So x to the power minus 4 by 3, y to the power 4 by 3 divided by x to the power 4 and y to the power minus 3 it is. Okay. And right hand side x to the power a and y to the power b. Now let us solve it. So x to the power minus 4 by 3 minus 4, y to the power 4 by 3 plus 3 is equal to x to the power a and y to the power b. So this is giving to us as x to the power, we will take LCM. So LCM will be 3. So minus 4 and minus 12 by 3, y to the power. So again 3 will be the LCM. So 4 plus 9 by 3 is equal to x to the power a, y to the power b. Okay. So fine. Okay. So now what it will be there? Please look towards here. So it is becoming x to the power minus 16 by 3 and y to the power 13 by 3. Okay. Is equal to x to the power a and y to the power b. So now we have to prove that a plus b is equal to minus 1. A plus b is equal to minus 1. So a is minus 16 by 3. So a plus b is equal to what? Minus 16 by 3 plus 13 by 3. So it is giving what? It is giving to us as a plus b is equal to, or minus 3 by 3 cancelled. So a plus b is equal to minus 1. Lastly, we have proved that a plus b is equal to minus 1. That only was the requirement to prove it. Okay. So these type of questions are not only useful for the students who are in CBSE 9th standard, 10th standard. These questions are very much useful for the students who are appearing in competitive examinations also. At that time, with the practice, they can move faster, they can solve faster. Let us go to another question. So let us take it. So question is given that if 25 x minus 1 means to the power x minus 1, okay, is equal to 5 to the power 2x minus 1 and minus 100, then we need to find the value of x. Let us solve. Okay, so this 25, left hand side 25 is there. Let us make it as 5 to the power 2. Why? Because right hand side also we are having 5 to the power 2. Okay, 5 to the power 2x minus 1. So that's why we have to convert this 25 as 5 to the power 2. Okay, right. And x minus 1 it will be is equal to 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 100. During competitive examinations, many of these steps you can skip. But as the students need to understand, we are going for each and every step, because here understanding is more important. So 5 to the power 2x minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 100. So let us bring that 5 to the power 2x minus 2 minus 5 to the power 2x minus 1, and right hand side let it be minus 100. Okay. Now we can write as 5 to the power 2x minus 2 minus 5 to the power 2x minus 1 into, or we can write as this minus 1 as 2. So what we have to write? We have to add 5. We have to multiply with 5. So 5 to the power 1. If 1 is available here, then it will become what? 2x minus 2 plus 1. Sorry. Yes, 2x minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So 2x minus 1 it will come. So we need to multiply. So this has become minus 100. Now we can take common. 5 to the power 2x minus 2 we can take common, and it will become 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 100. Then further 5 to the power, sorry, it is to the power is there, 2x minus 2, and in bracket we are having minus 4 is equal to minus 100. So this minus minus we will cancel. This with 400 will be getting cancelled as 25, and further 5 to the power 2x minus 2 is equal to 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. As we are already aware, the formula, that is a to the power m is equal to a to the power n. It shows that m is equal to n. Okay. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. Further 2x, so this minus 2 will go that side and it will become 4. We will be cancelling it and we will get x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the answer. Right. Let us solve another question. So we have to solve the given equations. Solve the equations for x. Okay. So we are given 3 by 5 to the power 1 minus 2x is equal to 4. This is mixed fraction 17 by 27. Right. Now this 3 by 5 we can write as 1 minus 2x, and we can put bigger bracket, and here we can write 1 by 2. And this side we can write mixed fraction. Let us convert it into fraction. So 27 into 4, 108 plus 17. So 125 by 27. Okay, 125 by 27. Now further 3 by 5. So it will become 1 minus 2x divided by 2. Here it is 125. So it is 5 by 3 to the power 3. Further we can write 3 by 5, 1 minus 2x by 2. So this can be written as 3 by 5 to the power minus 3. Now 3 by 5, both sides it is there. The base is 3 by 5. So we can very well write, as we have seen. I told you that if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, it means m is equal to n. Utilizing this particular formula of law of indices, we can say that 1 minus 2x by 2 is equal to minus 3. 1 minus 2x is equal to minus 6. Okay. So This can be 2x can be taken another side, it will become positive, and 6 minus 6 can be brought this side, so 1 plus 6 will get 7, and we will be getting x equal to 7 by 2. Okay, so this is the value which we need to find out. Okay, similarly we will go for another question. We are given 5 to the power 0 and the root is cube root actually 3 plus 2 by 3 in bracket square is equal to 0.6 over the bracket 3 minus 2x. Now this question we need to solve. For x, we need to find the value of x. So 5 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So it has become 1 plus 2 by 3 square and outside 1 by 3 because it is cube root. So it will be giving to us as, we can write 0.6 as, can very well be written as 6 by 10. If we are cancelling it, so it will become 3 by 5. So let us make it as 3 by 5, 3 minus 2x. Here it has become 5 by 3 and 2 is multiplied with 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5, 3 minus 2x. Further 5 by 3, 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 and this will become 2x minus 3. With minus 1 it will get multiplied. So it will become 2x minus 3. Again bases are same. 5 by 3 and 5 by 3 both are the same, left hand side and right hand side bases are same. So their indices also will be equal. So 2 by 3 is equal to 2x minus 3 will give us as 2x is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3, which will be giving us, so 9 plus 2, 11 by 3, and further we will get x equal to 11 by 6. So in this way we can solve the question step by step. Let us solve another question. We are given that 2 to the power cube, 5 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 2x is equal to 8. Mixed fraction is there, 27, 8. Okay. So let us solve it. Fine. Two to the power 3 means 8. 5 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 by 3 to the power 2x. This one also we can write as 8 plus 8 by 27. Mixed fraction can very well be written as 8 plus 8 by 27. And this has become 8. 1 plus 3 to the power 2x is equal to 8 plus 8 by 27, and when we are multiplying, so here it is becoming 8 plus 8 into 3 to the power 2x is equal to 8 plus 8 by 27. So this 8 will get cancelled. Further it is there 8 into 3 to the power 2x is equal to 8 by 3 to the power 3 we can write. Okay, so this 8 will get cancelled, left with 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Okay, so again bases are same, so it is giving us as 2x is equal to minus 3. Further x is equal to minus 3 by 2 will be the answer. So we have seen that how easily, when we are solving step by step, how easily we can solve the question. We are in a position to arrive to the answer very easily. So some of the basic questions I have covered today. Certainly I will be covering some more difficult questions also. But the concept clearing is very, very necessary. When we are going for quantitative aptitude, so in that quantitative aptitude, very difficult questions are not asked. The questions which are asked are easy only. But the questions appears to be very, very difficult. And when we see that data, big data, the students, candidates are generally getting one type of fear that certainly the question will take us to more division, more multiplication, and because of that, students are leaving the questions. I have seen many times. So, if you have liked my video, please thank you very much. You subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.